It's Tuesday, 9th of March, and senior CAM managers Frank Wilson and Archie Cormack are on the SPS quayside for the sail away of the first jacket for the ACG project. Frank is the transport and installation manager, and Archie is responsible for construction of the 6 jackets on the project. The international company Saipem are the installation contractor for the project. Approval to commence the tow and the tricky manoeuvre down the narrow exit channel to the open sea was dependent upon weather conditions not exceeding a light breeze of 10 knots. The reason for this being the large area of the jacket exposed to the effect of wind. 2 high-capacity tugs, the Islay and Jura, each with a rated pulling capacity of 170 tons, were initially connected to the bow and the stern of the SDB-1. Other smaller vessels assisted during the release of the barge from its moorings, and the tow then commenced. Here we can see the large mud mats needed to ensure the stability of the jacket when it is initially set down on the soft seabed. For the sea tow, both tugs were positioned on the bow of the barge. For the tow, the barge was manned by a marine crew plus personnel to undertake preparatory work for the launch even before the tow arrived at the CA site. Here we can see the flotation tanks that provided additional buoyancy during the jacket launch. These tanks will be towed back to SBS for reuse on the C&WP jacket. 26 hours after departing SPS, the tow arrived at site and a boarding party from the DBA was dispatched. These included the TNI representatives and the Marine Warranty Surveyor Stefan Basinski. For the launch operation, the barge needed to be trimmed to approximately 3 degrees, which involved the transfer of large volumes of water and took approximately 6 hours to complete. During the barge ballasting operation, the jacket sea fastenings were being cut. The braces were hinged to allow their maximum reuse for future jackets. Just after dawn on Thursday 11th of March, the shear plate connections between the jacket and barge skidways were progressively cut. At 07:19, with small assistance from the barge jacking system, the jacket launch commenced. The launch proceeded exactly as planned. On the stern of the barge, the hinged rocker beams ensure clean separation between jacket and barge. The jacket was designed to self-upend, and within 5 minutes this operation had been completed. A small crew then went on board the jacket to complete the minor ballast adjustments needed to ensure the jacket was fully vertical when free floating. Following launch and upending, the weather conditions were not good enough to proceed with docking the jacket, removing the tanks and installing the first piles in one consecutive operation. As part of an agreed wet stowage plan, the jacket then remained free-floating, attached to a tug, awaiting a weather window to complete the jacket installation.